Okay, guys, here's for the last set of stem changing verbs we're going to talk about in present tense Spanish. These ones are the E to I stem changing verbs. And just like the others, you have to take off the ending and add on your new ending. But in certain spots, you also have to fiddle with the middle. So we're going to look at the verb pedir. Pedir is an IR stem changing verb, so you're going to do the same rules for IR verbs, o, es, imos, is, en. But that E in the middle, the stem of it, is going to change to an I when it falls in the boot. So here, instead of saying pedo, yo pedo, you don't want to say that, it means I fart. You want to say yo pido, and that means to ask for order, I order. Or for the to form, you say tú pides. You still are messing with the ending, you chopped off the IR and added ES, but you also have to fiddle with the middle. For el, usted, it's going to be pide. Now remember, nosotros and vosotros are outside of that boot. So that one, you don't have to mess with the E. It could just say pedimos. Same thing for vosotros. It's pedís. You're still dealing with the ending. And then finally for the ellos, ellas, ustedes, you're going to change the ending and the middle to piden. And when I say the boot, these are the ones. The ones inside of the boot change E to I. Here's some other verbs that are stem changing E to I. Remember, this is not all verbs. You just have to memorize these ones. We've got the verb conseguir, to get or to obtain. Decir, to say or to tell. Repetir, to repeat. Notice it's in the middle. Don't do the prefix, that first E. Do the one in the middle, the stem. And then we have the verb seguir, to follow, to continue, or to keep doing something. Here's some practice for you guys. Go ahead and try conjugating these. What I recommend you do is either take a screenshot and write on your device, or you guys could just pause the video and try these on your own. I'll give you a few seconds to get that together. All right, hopefully you had a chance to practice these. And here's the first one. They order. It's going to be ellos piden. It falls in the boot. That's the toe of the boot, so that's why that E changed to an I. Don't forget, we're still messing with the endings. We say is nosotros decimos. We didn't have to worry about changing the stem because nosotros and vosotros are not in the boot. I repeat is yo repito. Remember, do not do the prefix, the re. Do the E in the middle after the P. You follow is tú sigues. Y'all in Spain, the plural, is vosotros conseguís. That's outside the boot, so you don't have to fuss with the E. She orders is ella pide, and we repeat is nosotros repetimos. These are a little bit of a pain in the butt, but the more you do it, the better you get. Hopefully you guys get this. If not, feel free to ask me questions.